we're going to open a pack. Astros first. We got Ryan Presley.
Yep.
We got a Tigers, and it's, what does that say?
Eduardo Rodriguez.
And Rodriguez. And then we got a Marlins, and it's Garrett Cooper.
Oh, we saw him play. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Don't put them down like that. Just hold them. We saw Garrett Cooper actually play. He's a
Jan Duran.
Jared Duran from the Red Sox.
Jan Duran from the Red Sox.
Is he is this rookie or future star?
Future star. And we got Nestor Cortez.
Ooh, you got Nestor.
Yeah, Nestor Cortez.
He's got a 44 glove.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah. We got a Phillies. It is Mark Apple. It's a rookie. We got Max Stassi.
Catcher.
He's a catcher in the Angels. And we got Daniel what is his last name?
Vogelback.
So we got Daniel Vogelback. How do you say it?
Vogelback.
David Villar. And it's a rookie. Oh, it's a flip. It's a flip. Who is it?
Ooh, it's like silver.
It's Corey Seager.
Corey Seager.
Corey Seager.
That's a good one. We'll see.
It's hollow. Like the edge. That's a good one because the edge.
Corey Seager, shortstop.
Now we got a Brave, and it's Markel Acuna. What is it?
Ozuna.
Ozuna. We got a Brewer. It's Taylor Rogers.
Yeah. Kyle Stills. Is that
Kyle
who we were looking for?
And it's a rookie.
Rushman or Dan Henderson.
Yep. Right, got it. And then we got Taylor Ward. There you go. And then that's all of them in this pack. So, bye.